Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Taurus sa May 8, 2024 at 11:21 a.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng New Moon sa inyong lugar. So mas maganda na panoorin nyo to sa perspective ng inyong rising sign kasi mas accurate yon. Although pwede pa rin naman kayong mag-resonate dito sa inyong sun sign at moon sign. Pero kung gusto niyo malaman yung inyong rising sign, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano kunin yon. Ilalagay niyo lang yung information and then ika-calculate na ang inyong rising sign. So dapat alam niyo kung ano yung birthplace niyo and then yung inyong time of birth kasi importante yon. So, pag alam niyo na yung rising sign niyo at hindi kayo Capricorn, no? So, hanapin niyo kung ano yung sign na yon, rising sign. Kasi maaring mas maging, mas mag-resonate kayo doon. Okay? So, for you Capricorn, ang New Moon in Taurus ay mangyayari sa inyong 5th house. Yan. 5th house is about your creativity, anything that you are passionate about, no, kung saan mo magagamit yung iyong mga talento, yung skill set mo. And also, this is the house of children. And pwede ring romantic connection, dating, ayan. So, andito yung planet ng Venus, no, nasa Taurus rin siya. Since New Moon in Taurus, it means new beginnings, and Taurus is a fixed earth sign, so very stable ang energy na to, grounded and stable. So I think when it comes to your passion, yung iba sa inyo, ipupursu nyo what you are passionate about. Can be anything, pwedeng hobbies ninyo, mga libangan ninyo, or any artistic na mga abilities ninyo. Let's say painting, pwede ring music, ayan, anything that entertains you, na interest mo. So, Venus is here. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, money, luxury. So, I think, yung iba sa inyo pwede ring mas lalo nyong palalakasin ang inyong dating experiences. So, pwedeng, if you are single, you might be going out with others. You will try, kumbaga, susubukan mong may kilalanin na romantic partner na may possibility na maging seryoso, no, in the future. But this is more of yung earlier stage ng relationship na getting to know each other, ganyan. And you also have Jupiter in Uranus, nakakonjunct siya. So, Jupiter is the planet of abundance, prosperity, good luck, expansion. So, yung iba sa inyo, if ang career ninyo related sa inyong mga talents, skills, especially kung nasa entertainment industry kayo, or nasa social media rin, you are sharing your talents and skills sa social media, content creator ka, so maaring beneficial to sa'yo. Maraming opportunities na darating. Pwedeng mga biglaang opportunities, can be collaboration with others. Merong sponsorship ng ibang company para sa'yo. Maaari ring mas dadami yung followers mo. Maraming makaka-appreciate ng ginagawa mo sa social media. And some of you pwedeng biglaang may darating na romantic partner. Yung mga hindi nyo inaasahang pagkakataon. Oo. Kasi itong Uranus is the planet of unexpected happenings, no? Or pwede rin namang magiging experimental ka pagdating sa relationship and connections with others. Some of you naman maaring magkakaroon ng baby. Ayan. So, kung kayo ay kumbaga hindi pa kayo ready, wala pa sa plano niyo pagkakaroon ng baby, be careful, no? Use protection, but of course, if part na yan ang plano ninyo, then go ahead. Yan, congratulations. Maaring merong baby na parating. And of course, fifth house is also about kids, your children, no? Kung meron ka ng anak, I think mas magbibigay ka ng oras at panahon sa mga anak mo, or you will also parang pagbibigay ng gift or attention sa kanila, or maaring meron kang pagkakagastusan sa mga anak mo. Maaari ring may travel opportunities with your kids, going to some places that they want. Kasi meron din ritong short travel, no? Pwedeng local travels lang to within the country, or, sa iba't ibang towns lang sa area ninyo. Kasi meron siyang sextile sa Saturn, which is in your third house. So, pwedeng ito yung mga matagal mong pinangako. Mga matagal mo na pinangako sa anak mo na gagawin nyo together. Like, for example, nangako ka na pupunta kayo sa beach, or dadalawin nyo yung lolo't lola nila, or magta-travel somewhere. So, ito na yon, mangyayari na siya finally. And also, pwede rin namang merong communication with a brother or a sister na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap. Oo, pwedeng wala kayong communication lately. Maaring may pagkakataon na magkasama, may reunion, or may magre-reach out. Okay? So, yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong bagong kapitbahay, or sa neighborhood ninyo, magiging active ka sa pagtulong sa inyong neighborhood. Sa area ninyo, maaring meron kang tutulungang mga kapitbahay, o kaya merong program outreach program sa neighborhood ninyo na magiging active ka. So, let's see what else. Yung iba naman, possible na pwedeng makakabili kayo ng sasakyan, or meron kayong maipapaayos na sasakyan, or anything na kailangan yung ayusin sa inyong sasakyan. Wow, you have the Empress. So, this is the energy of Taurus and Libra. So, Empress is about abundance. Napakagandang energy niyan. Very creative. You are also going to focus on yourself, no? Taking care of yourself because of the Venus energy and Taurus energy rito. Uy, may Three of Swords. What is this? Bakit may Three of Swords? Some of you maaring maka-experience ng disappointment. Okay? This can mean disappointment sa anak ninyo, o kaya disappointment sa inyong ka-date or romantic partner na bago pa lang. Ayan. Five of Cups. Merong rito, maaring losses, regrets. I feel like you might experience or feel regrets. Parang nagsisisi ka sa mga bagay na miss out mo, or mga lost opportunities. For example, meron kang mga na miss out na importanteng event sa iyong mga anak, no, na dapat nandun ka. So, maaring isa yon sa pwede mong marirealize during this time. Oo, with the planet of Saturn kasi rito, I think yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng matagal kayo hindi nakapag-usap ng anak nyo. Pwedeng, syempre yung lost time, 'di ba? Nawala na yung oras na hindi mo na maibabalik yon. So, it's time for you na bumawi, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng babawi kayo sa inyong mga anak, or sa person na malapit sa inyo na hindi nyo, kumbaga, napabayaan ninyo. Okay? So, let's see what else. Parang meron din ritong hihingi ng sorry, no? Pwedeng this person knows yung mga pagkukulang niya sa'yo. Pwedeng hingi to ng sorry. You are good enough. Oh. You are good enough na minsan magda-doubt tayo sa sarili nating kakayanan, but always remember, you are good enough, no? Hindi mo naman kailangang laging i-compare yung sarili mo sa iba, kasi meron kang sarili mong kakayanan, abilidad na unique sa'yo. Okay? You also have detoxify. So, ito ay pagre-release ng anything negative around you, stressful sa buhay mo. And let's see what else. You have speak your world into being. Ayan. So, pagiging expressive of your thoughts. Yung talagang totoong nararamdaman mo. Kasi yung iba yung sinasabi sa totoong nararamdaman nila. So, mas maganda na you have to be straight to the point para nagkakaintindihan kayo nung taong kausap mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!